Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made a video on this one. And when I was putting it on the icon for the capture of the video, I was going like, why would anybody want to draw that? What's it represent? And how you could make it look better. Look at the two side by side. And this one just stands out more. And it wasn't anything special. I'm going to delete. And if you didn't watch part one, I'm going to ungroup all this. And I'm just going to show you how good and see it looks like you've got the whole thing, but if you look, it's just the blue and it shows you down there. I'm going to get the interactive fill tool and I'm going to swipe across and I'm going to make it black. I'm going to leave it a little blacker this time. And then I'm going to take the green and do the same thing to the green. I could really do all of them. You know what? I think I am. I'm going to make that black, a little bit blacker. Let's see what it looks like, because now we can compare them to my other one. That might be too much black. And then group it back together, Control G, Control D to duplicate it, Alternate C, or move your rotation in the center and rotate it 120 degrees, and then Control D. And I wish I would have left a copy. This kind of, I like the blue on this one. It looks like it's kind of, in the green too, it looks like they're, especially on a black background. You know, if you change it to red, it wouldn't be anything special. Well, it would, because that's the same color, so it kind of stands out. But anyway, just the interactive fill tool can really make stuff look a lot better than just that blah color. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope that helped.